The engineering approach to solve problems of a warehouse are just really interesting. Trying to find a solution that's both flexible, doesn't prescribe too much for their individual workflow, but also is easy enough to use that it doesn't get like incredibly fanned out and hairy very quickly has been one of the most exciting and challenging problems to solve for our end user customers.
I think the most exciting thing that Cofactr does for customers is actively solving a problem that maybe they didn't know they had. What we do is provide a process that de-risks their products early on, and then we're actively solving problems in their supply chain before they would pop up. In manufacturing, there's not a lot of opportunity to kind of fail gracefully. And so just seeing customers succeed is a really, really exciting thing.
If you're an engineer, I think the most exciting thing about Cofactr is the lifecycle data, the ability to understand and do bomb scrubbing through Cofactr. But if you're on the supply chain or logistics team, I think what's most exciting is the fact that there's a lot of automation involved in order tracking, whether that's from the time you place an order to the time you receive it, but really just knowing that the materials you need are going to be where you need them to be on time, every time.